Okay guys, welcome to this Apache HTTP server administration server series. In this section we are going to see about directory indexing. Okay, so in this directory indexing we just going to see about how a default directory indexing will be processed in Apache HTTP server, and we will see about basic directory indexing and how to make it fancy, the indexing itself, how to add a header and footer to the indexing, and how to filter out some content, and how to add icons. If it is a text file, you want to display it like a text file. Okay, if it is a folder, then you must mention a folder. If you want to go back to the parent folder, then you have to specify those kind of icons, right? Those kind of little tricky tricks we will see in this session. Okay, so straight away we'll go to the demo section. Okay, defaultly there are some list of configurations files which will be bundled with Apache HTTP server. Those will be available inside conf extra folder, right? So there, if you see, you will have an auto-index.conf file, okay, which contains all those necessary information. Okay, so um, just trying to cat it. We'll see it in this session. First, first of all, if you want to enable this basic indexing, what I have to do is first of all, I'm trying to access my server. Okay, so it is giving forbidden error message. I'll say it. So defaultly I just disabled my indexing. Okay, this minus symbols does that. So if you want to enable this indexing, then you have to put plus instead of minus. Just again restart the server. Now try to refresh the page. So you got this list of files inside this your document root. So what's my document root? So if you see, my document root is opt my installation folder of Apache. So if you see it, this is the stuff that is getting displayed over here. Okay, so this is normal indexing, but if you want a fancy indexing, what have to do? You can do it. If you want to add some filtering, you want to list down the dates and descriptions about the files, those kind of things that you can achieve. Okay, that is the one that we are going to see detail in the session. So so just now we covered about how to enable indexing, the basic indexing. Okay, so now we will go to this fancy directory indexing. For that, what I have to do is, first of all, you just need to include the files which is provided by default. This auto-index.conf file. We'll see what is the content. We just enable it and just reset the server, and just now go to the content. Yeah, now if you now see the content of it, for to achieve this directory indexing, you need this auto index and model eyes to be loaded. Okay, so if you see, the loaded models, defaultly the allies model and one another model, auto index, yeah, both are loaded, so we don't need to do any special things. So both are available, and so this indexing option is the one which is covering the appearance of the server generation directory. So here what I done is I just put fancy indexing, and I just want to display folders first, and I want the width of the name should be auto size, and the description width of the folders and text files should be auto adjust this space. Okay, just try to refresh the page now. So if you see in the content, so it is auto aligned now. Okay, so this is what this name width and description width is doing. Again, I just want to provide access to this icons directory. Okay, so just I give an allow from all, and so If you see the icon, so for bin exe file I put binary GIF image, and for tar files I put tar GIF image. So if you see in this folder, for all the folders we got some beautiful icons, right? So if I go inside it, for banner directory I get a back icon. Similarly, if you are going here for text files, you are getting a different kind of icon, right? So these are things that we were configured in this using this add icon directive. Okay, so you can just spice a bit. Here, if you see, the back directory will be dot dot. So that's what we done here. And the default icon, if it could not able to recognize the format, then it does an unknown file. There's a question mark. Okay, and so this is how you need to make a fancy indexing. But how to add an header and a footer. Footer is named as reader me. Okay, you can find all those things over here. So header name, you can specify the header file name. So I created this header file. I just taken a theme of Facebook, color of Facebook to make it style. So if you see the HTML of it, so I put div, inside div I just put a heading. That's it. So if you see in my footer section, I put in paragraph, I put it as center aligned, just put my copyright message. So if you see this copyright message, and one more thing what you need to remember is, you need to remember to include this while including this reader, this header and footer, you should include the slash in front. Otherwise this rule will only be applied to the main page. To the sub directories it will not be applied. And to make it style, I already created two IDs, one for header and one for footer. But how to style this IDs? You can achieve that using index style sheet directive. So just we will see the content of it. Okay, auto index. So if I've seen it, I just color white, text color, and the background color 36599, which is FP color, and I put the height of 30 pixel. Okay, so that's why you could able to see this. So if you go back, you're able to see it properly. So this is how you need to include a header, footer, and this is how you need to customize your icons and stuff. You can even sort it. Okay, and you can add a default description. I'll just add it. So for all, I want to put some default description. Okay, so just reset the server again now. So we've seen, so description got added to all the files and folders. So this is how you need to add a default description stuff. So we covered how to do a basic directory indexing, fancy directory indexing, now how to customize header and footer stuff, and you can even ignore files to the index. Here if you've seen my directory indexing, you see the password section. Okay, you can just go here, you can go here, and you can see my password. Okay, so if I want to eliminate this, then what I can do is just I can go to my file, and already I ignored some of the files using its name. Okay, similarly I can include this password file as well. So restart it again and refresh it, the folder gone. So this is how you need to ignore a list of files and filter out it. And it is, as I told, like for text files you can add icons, and for image files you can add some various icons using add icon directive. And sorting also is possible. You can just do a sorting based on some name. Okay, so you can do index ordering default by name and whatever you want. You can just put it. You can. I will try the size. So we'll just go inside this. Inside this. Uh, I think it is sorted by size now, ascending. Maybe we will try it descending now. Uh, Descending. Yeah. So if you see, yeah, it is now sorted by descending. So this is how you need to do a sorting of your files, and even you can do a sorting with this using this directive option. I hope. I think we have covered almost everything in the directory indexing part. That's it, guys. I hope it helps you. See you in the next session. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.